identifying a suitable marriage partner. Listen to me, young lady. Listen to me, gentleman. Listen to me, you who want to remarry, maybe because your wife died or your husband died, or and now you're getting to marriage afresh. Principle number 5, the principle of understanding the possibilities of difficulties in the process. Or the principle, that is the principle of understanding or acknowledging the possibilities of difficulties in the process. So the process might be difficult. So you have to acknowledge that, you have to understand that as you approach this thing. Remember, we are talking about a suitable marriage partner. If you just want a marriage partner, you just need to turn left, turn right, you can see marriage partners. But for a suitable marriage partner, the process might be more difficult and engaging. Look at this. The servant of Abraham, Eliezer, who was sent to go and look for a wife for Rebecca, had to travel for 500, actually more than 500 miles, all the way to the land of Nahor, Mesopotamia. That is about 803 kilometers. If it is in Kenya, it would be from all the way from Eldoret to Mombasa. Eldoret to Mombasa is about 803 kilometers. And the journey we are talking about, 500 miles, is about 805 kilometers. So you can see it was tiresome. It was not just something to come in a silver plate. God did not deliver Rebecca to Isaac's door without anything having been done. There was a lot that was engaged or that was involved. Okay? And then he needed to convince that lady to leave home and family to marry a guy whom she has never met. So you see that convincing someone to come and be part of your life, and why do you want me to marry you? Maybe you are a gentleman, you are approaching a lady, she's a lady of a high class, and she is there waiting for you to convince her, who are you? So you see, it's not an easy thing. You need to take it seriously and even be prepared, and know that there are possible difficulties in the process. Similarly, in seeking God's spouse, we say the easiest route is usually not God's path. The easiest route in seeking a marriage partner is usually not God's path. And finding a godly mate is never easy. It calls for patience as God molds your character for such a mate. Look at it. You are looking for a suitable marriage partner, or you are looking for a godly partner. So you need patience because God will mold you first to be suitable for that godly partner. Remember, as you are seeking for a suitable marriage partner, someone else is looking for suitable marriage partner. That person you get married to, or you marry, is also looking for a suitable marriage partner. So you need to have patience until God molds you. Yes, and a man claims to have unfailing love. The Bible says in Proverbs chapter 20 verse 6, many a man claims to have unfailing love, but a faithful man who can find. A faithful man here, meaning, like, for example, you're looking for a lady to marry. Yes, as a man, the Bible asks, a faithful man who can find. So they are rare. Faithful men are rare. So you need to know that there are possible difficulties in the process and understand that. The Bible says also in Proverbs 31:29 to 30, many women do noble things, but you surpass them all. This is the woman of noble character. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. So that woman is rare. For you to find her, you must tarry in the presence of God. You must take your time. You must watch from a distance. And then lastly, the Proverbs chapter 31 verse 10, the Bible says, a wife of noble character who can find. You see, the Bible asking who can find does not mean that she is not available, or you can't find a wife of noble character, but it means it is not easy to find such a woman. She is worth far more than rubies. That is far more than money. So even if you are so wealthy, You have a lot of money. Don't think that money will attract women of good character. Actually, most of the times it is vice versa. You have a lot of money, but you marry someone who is wanting, very much wanting in character. So, money cannot buy a woman of noble character. It is not easy to find that woman. You need to be patient and even to focus on God. Remember this. Do not let discouragement and anxiety cause you to choose a marriage partner or to choose your own way. Don't let discouragement, impatience, and anxiety in this process cause you to take things in your hands. Take your time and ask God to lead you. So that principle we have talked about, is the principle of understanding the possibilities of difficulties in the process. If there are difficulties you are experiencing as you look for a marriage time partner or a suitable marriage partner for yourself, that is normal and it is expected. It happened even in the time of Isaac, because the servant had to travel all that way, had to load his camels, had to convince that lady until she says yes. Thank you.